Check if your remote is paired by pressing the voice button. If you see a message on screen, it's paired. If nothing happens, point your remote at your Sky Q box, press home, then press and hold 1 and 3 until you see the light on your remote flash. Follow the instructions on screen. Press the buttons or touchpad to move through menus and press in the middle to select. If you've got a touch remote and you want to swipe to move around, you can turn touch control on or off to swipe instead of pressing. Press home, go to settings, then setup and remote control. Choose Sky Q Touch Remote and press the middle button to turn it on or off. If you can't see the option, you don't have a touch remote. To fast forward or rewind at a faster speed, press the buttons more than once. Press search to find shows, or if you've got a voice control button on the side or front, press and hold it while speaking clearly into the microphone, then let go. The Sky button takes you straight to your recordings, and the sidebar button opens TV apps. If you can't find your remote, press the Q button on the front of your box and it'll beep for 30 seconds. For more, go to sky.com/help.